Hello everyone, welcome back to this session. In previous session we have learned different tasks that we can do with the table. Today we are going to see how to select entire column and how to select entire row, as well as we will also see how to add a row and how to add a column. So without a further ado, let's start the video. First of all, if you want to select the entire column, take the mouse cursor to the top of that column. Now let's say I want to select the first column entirely. So I'm bringing my mouse cursor at the top of first column. You can see here clearly, right? My cursor was right here. You will observe now. See, my cursor is here. So just click once. The entire column has been selected now. In the same way, you can select the other columns. Just take the cursor at the top and then click the mouse left button. Right? Now, this selection of entire column can be done by using column selection bar. Dear students, this black arrow, you can see this black arrow, this is called as column selection bar. Now it is moving at the first column. See, this is called as column selection bar. Now if you want to select entire row, what you can do, you can take the cursor to that row. Now I am going to select the second row entirely. So I will just click once. The second row has been selected now. Take the cursor at the third row and select yes. And then first row. You can select any row. Now this selection of row is called as, my cursor was here right now. It is called as row selection bar. This mouse cursor is now called as row selection bar. You can select any row now entirely. Now let us see how to add the row at the top or at the bottom. So for that purpose, let me write some names in these cells. So I will write the names. First of all, let me increase the font. Okay, now font is 18. You can see the names clearly. Rahul, Sachin. Okay, let me select this entirely and then 18, right? And these two also, that should be 18. Correct? Now Rahul, Sachin, Yuvraj. Let me write the names quickly. And then Mahinder. Then Virendra, you can write any names, Virat, and then Yusuf, then you can write Harbhajan, and finally you can write Zahir. So these are some names. Now I am going to select, I will select now the first row first of all, and I want to add the row after this row. After Rahul, Sachin and Yuvraj, I want to add a blank row. So how that can be done, I will tell you. First of all, you have to select the you have to click anywhere in the table. Okay, anywhere in the table. Now I have clicked in the first row, right? So go to the layout tab. It is here. After design, it is there, layout tab. Click on the layout tab. This tab will appear only if your cursor is there in the table. My cursor is there in the table. Okay, so layout tab, you have to click this, and in the layout tab, in rows and columns group, this is rows and columns group, correct? Rows and columns group, right? So in this group, just click insert below. Okay, just click insert below. What will happen? See, the new row has been added after the selected row. So you have to select the row again, and if you click on this insert below option, this option is there, see here, insert below, click on this option in order to insert the row below. Now my cursor is at this position. After Virendra, the cursor is there. So what will happen? New row will be added after that row. Getting my point, everyone? Now, how to add the row before the particular row? Now there is a row. See, this is the first row. I want to add a new row before this row. Okay. So select the row, entire row, or click anywhere in the table. Okay, in the first row. Now just click this button in the same layout group in the rows and columns section. Just click this insert above, right? Insert above. What will happen? A new row will be added before this row. In the same way, I want to add a row before this row, Yusuf, Harbhajan and Zahir. So how that can be done? Simply click this insert above button once. You can see this button. It is in which group? It is in layout tab, in rows and columns group, in insert above button, right? So click this, a new row will be added before this row. Now how we can add the columns? Now columns can be added at the left side or at the right side. Now see this particular column, Sachin, Virendra and Harbhajan. Now I want to add a column at the left side, means here, a blank column. Okay, so select that column entirely and then insert left. You can see here in the layout tab in the rows and columns group, there is a button insert left. It is used to add the column at the left side. And you can see here, clearly you can see this picture is of column. Okay, so let me click this. Now the column has been added successfully at the left side, right? Now I want to add a new column at the right side of this column, means after Sachin, Virendra and Harbhajan, I want to add a new column at the right side, means this side, a blank column, right? How that can be done? Insert right. See here, insert right. In the same layout tab, in the same rows and columns group, in the this section, this button you have to click, right, insert right. So I'm going to click that. See, so the blank columns have been added successfully, right? So that's it for today's session. In case of any queries, any doubts, you can contact me at any time. So bye bye and take care everyone.